Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
My personal favourite of the firepower guns, this is the clear one. I think the green and blue look cool, but this is a bit more like it. You pull down the spring, hold it across, you've got a hole there to pour it in. I'll do that now. Let's use the 0.12 gram Bulldogs. About done. Release the spring. Let's put that into the gun. This has full working safety. Also has the slide stay. You can see the ammo in the open chamber. Because it's got the open chamber, you can also use the Cybergun 6mm paintball pellets in here. Yeah, good distance, good accuracy. In the clear plastic. Yeah, and we're out. There you go, the clear firepower from Cybergun. Take a look. It's on the website now.